Hello all, welcome to Codemaster. Today we will see how to identify an image and if there are any problems within the image using the AI/ML models in AWS Bedrock. Consider a use case in an automotive industry. Say there are a lot of automobile parts, and if there is a requirement, say whether we need to know if the parts are proper, like if there are any defects within the parts, or consider an insurance claim where somebody is claiming the part is damaged and they want it to get replaced. So for this kind of use cases there might be lakhs of requests across the country for an industry, and there is a lot of manual effort which is needed. If you do it on a regular basis, somebody to inspect it, there might be manual errors possible. So it's always good to have the help of AI/ML models to do this work for us. That will have help us in generating a better efficient response, and that will help the use case. That will save a lot of manual effort, that will save the revenue for the industry. Okay, so to get that done, we will need to have similar kind of architecture which we did for previous use cases, where we parse the invoices and read the content within an invoice. Similarly, for even for image identification and the issues with the image, we'll follow a similar architecture. As you can see, somebody from the UI, a user uploads an image which comes as an API request, and we'll have an API gateway receiving that, and the gateway hits AWS Lambda in turn know, sends the request to AWS Bedrock. This is where the LLMs reside. The AML models in the Bedrock identify the issue based on the prompt, and they will give a response back to Lambda, and Lambda in turn gives back the response to the gateway, and the user will be able to retrieve that. We will mainly focus on AWS Lambda here because API gateway and the consuming the models in AWS Bedrock we already discussed in previous videos. In the first video, I'll attach the link in the description. You can go through it, how to create a gateway, integrate it with Lambda and all. So we'll just focus on AWS Lambda because that is where our program code exists. That is where the core functionality exists. We will write our Python code in the Lambda, and then and the integration with API gateway and Bedrock is similar in all the use cases. So if you can refer the previous tutorials, you will be able to understand how to do that. The only difference will be the writing the code in AWS Lambda for each use case. So that's why we'll concentrate only on AWS Lambda here. I created a Lambda function for our use case. I will copy paste this code in a separate notepad. This is our code. The main part here in the code is from the event we'll capture the input, which is the image. I will show you the reference image if I have corroded battery of a car and other brake part. So these are the two images which we are taking as an inputs. One after other we'll be taking, and we'll see the response. So what the code deals with is, it takes the input, it stores it in a variable, and we are passing that to a new method where the input will be processed. Last time, if you would have noticed, we used a converse API, but I wanted to show by doing it in a different way. So this time we used another API, not the converse one, not the converse API. We used Boto 3 client, and we, instead of using a converse API, we used a different API here, and we used haiku model, and this is a prompt where we'll basically be telling to identify if there are any issues with the images. You can configure as per your requirement what you want the ML model to do in this use case. And if you would have noticed, this is our input image, and we are creating a payload using the image. Since it is a base64 format, we have mentioned the format and it's an image, and this is our input, and this is our prompt which we are passing it to the LLM, and this is our model version. And with these details we have created a payload, and we'll be passing this payload into the AWS Bedrock. So use Bedrock runtime client, and used invoke model instead of converse API related APIs. We used an invoke model method this time, and we are capturing the response, and this response will be in turn given back to the API gateway, which will expose to the end user. So this is the code. I will attach this code in GitHub. You guys can go through the code and do your own modifications as per your requirement. So this is the same set of code which we are using, which um, we have seen in the text editor. So I've created the API gateway as well, and I've integrated with Lambda as we already discussed. You have that procedure in the previous videos. So we'll take the images which we have shown here. One is a corroded battery, and other is a brake pad. We have took the base64 format of it, and we'll just hit it. So what happens? LLM might take some time to respond, probably 5 to 6 seconds. It depends on the ML model which you are using. As you can see, it has identified the part as a car battery, and it is mentioned that there is a corrosion on battery terminals. So that's what the image shows. There is some corrosion in the terminals. Now we will take another image. We will convert it into base64. So we will copy this. We will give it as input this time. We will replace the previous battery image with the brake pad, and we will run the service. Let's see the output this time. See, it has identified the part as brake pads, and it has suggested that the brake pads appear to be worn out. So we have taken a worn out brake pads and we have tested it. So this is how the LLM responds based on your image input. Like whatever image you send, it identifies the part and what that image is about and what this issue is about. And somebody consuming this API will get to know like the image which they uploaded has any issues, etc.